Welcome to Wicklow Town, a charming coastal town in County Wicklow, Ireland. While it is a peaceful and serene town now, its origins are anything but. This is an area that has seen constant invasions, war, and atrocities over the centuries. Just south of the harbour, there is the dark and haunting history of Black Castle. The Vikings were extremely active in the Wicklow Town area from around 795, and in 834 they plundered the monastery at Glendalough. In the same year they fortified a strategic rocky promontory at the mouth of the Vartry River in Wicklow Town. After the Norman invasion of 1169, King Henry II granted lands on the east coast of Ireland to Richard de Clare, 2nd Earl of Pembroke in the mid-12th century. De Clare, also known as Strongbow, then granted the land to Baron Maurice Fitzgerald on the condition that he build a series of castles along the coast. One of these castles was Black Castle. The Baron died later that same year, so it's possible the fortification was completed by his family. Between 1295 and 1315 the castle was attacked and burnt down twice by the local O'Byrne clan. It was attacked by the O'Tooles in 1641, and again by the Irish in 1645 when everything was burned except the stables. The building was completely demolished in 1646. Later, part of it was rebuilt and used as a garrison, but by the end of that century the garrison had moved elsewhere, and the roof and wooden planks of the lofts had been sold to the Wicklow Town inhabitants. For centuries, the castle became a stronghold for cruelty and suffering. Prisoners were held captive within its cold and damp cells, enduring unimaginable torture inflicted by their captors, so the locals named it the Black Castle, for all its dark history. The gaunt remains we see today probably date back to this 17th century rebuild. The triangular keep can be accessed by crossing a deep foss and a flight of steps cut into the rock. The remains are situated on a picturesque rock cliff with the stunning backdrop of the Irish Sea. At the southwest of the keep are the remnants of a corner tower. Legend has it that the castle was once home to a notorious warlord, known for his brutality and lust for power. His reign was marked by countless atrocities, leaving a trail of death and despair in his wake. It is said that the tortured souls of those victims still haunt the castle to this day. Visitors have reported eerie apparitions, whispers, and an overwhelming feeling of unease. One of the most chilling tales associated with Black Castle is the infamous Black Widow. The castle's tower was rumored to be the hiding place of a vengeful spirit, a woman whose husband was brutally murdered within its walls. Legend has it that she lured unsuspecting men into her clutches, never to be seen again. Locals claim that a dark figure has been seen among the ruins late at night, standing where the tower used to be. The figure is motionless, and disappears without a trace. Despite its violent past, Black Castle now stands as a testament to resilience and history. Visitors can explore its ruins and imagine the turbulent events that unfolded within its walls so many centuries ago. So, if you dare to step into the realm of darkness and uncover the haunting history of Black Castle, Wicklow Town awaits you. But be warned, the spirits that reside within may not let you leave unscathed. Thank you for joining me on this chilling journey through the history of Black Castle in Wicklow Town, Ireland. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by clicking that like button. Please subscribe to the channel for more amazing places. I have selected another video I think you will like. Thank you for watching my views of the world. I'll catch you in the next one.